I think one of the things that plagues this fintech space is a bit of a hype at the moment. I think the valuations are over the top. So if you were to ask me to look at the crystal ball, I would think that in the next 12-24 months, I would think that a sense of, shall I say, a balance will be restored. I think what will be more important is not just, share of customers, but also profitability. I think the emphasis will also start coming in. One of the other things is already we see that happening, and I think it will only increase in the next 12 months, is this collaboration between the incumbents and the insurgents. What do these insurgents look for from the incumbents? I think they're looking for capital, they're looking for advice, they're looking for insight, and I think that is just a natural partnership, and I think that is bound to continue. The other thing I would think will happen is we've seen a lot of interest happen in the business to consumer space. You think about lending, you think about payments, you think about cross-border remittances. This is where we've seen a lot of technology companies or startup companies take position in. That I think will gradually move into a lot more difficult business-to-business interactions and activities. I think one would tend to think that over time it would move in. The other thing is we've seen a lot of technology in its infancy. You think about blockchain. There are lots of experiments, good ones out there, but these have not really been commercialized. So one would expect to see some bit of real proof points emerge. So this is what I would be looking for in the next 12 months as key milestones.